slimes that you can do at home. Now you guys are wondering, what the heck am I doing in my bathing suit? It's just comfortable. This is the first one, and if you want to know how I made this one, it's so easy. I made this one out of, yes, you guys probably already know it, peel off face mask. Literally smells like cucumber. It smells okay. It's still a little bit sticky, but guys, you cannot say that this is not slime. This is legit slime. Now, I don't know if I'll be showing it to you guys, but I will be telling you guys the ingredients. So first you'll need this peel off face mask. It can be any type. They always say to use alcohol, but it'll never work. I just use regular peel off face masks, the ones that I have, because, well, yeah, because I wanted to. And you're just going to, hold on a minute. Okay, so I have